Okay, hey everyone, Arnold here from LGR Let's Get Real Reviews. So today I just wanted to go over how it was for me making my first YouTube video. So this video will just cover what I used, how long it took me, and just the basics of how the whole experience went for me. And just so you know, I created my first YouTube video yesterday, so I shot it, edited it, uploaded it all in one day, so that was a pretty interesting experience. Alright, so let me start. So the first thing I'm going to go over is what I use. So I use my iPhone 6s. I know it's December 2020 and I still have an iPhone 6s, but I use the back camera for that. I use like my desk iPhone holder, like this thing right here. That's what I use, and like boxes to make a good angle. I used Imovie, the app from Apple. I used my 2016 MacBook. So I used iMovie to edit. I used my MacBook to upload from my phone, upload the videos from my phone to my MacBook. And then I already had a YouTube account and I uploaded. And that's all the things. And then I had the product, right, I was reviewing. So those were really all it. And so that's everything I already had. So I didn't have to buy a phone, I didn't have to buy some fancy, stand or contraption. I didn't have to buy an app. iMovie was free. I downloaded the latest one from the App Store because I updated my OS to Big Sur, which so far has been great, especially because I have such an old MacBook. But yeah, for a first-time video, I just wanted to get a feel of, what's needed, what goes into it, all the work that goes into it, how long it took, or how long it takes. So yeah, that's all I used. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about what I made for my first video, and it was a product review video for a sling bag. And some advice here, right? So it was 20 minutes, and I set out to make like a 5-6 minute video, and somehow I was able to make 20 minutes covering so many topics. So keep it short, and here's the reason why. Because when you create something long, you have to verify your account on YouTube. So I didn't know about that, so it failed uploading and processing for a long time. And the shorter it is, the shorter wait times you have for uploading and processing. And so hopefully my second video here is around 5 or 6 minutes. That's what I'm shooting for. And just so you know, I'm actually using my GoPro Hero3 Plus. So a little edit here. My dog was barking. But as I was saying before, was that I used my iPhone 6 Plus, the rear camera, for my first video. But now I'm testing with my GoPro Hero 3 Plus that has just been sitting around. So I got this like back in 2013, 2014 as a gift. So, and it's 9:30 or 10 o'clock in the morning now, so the lighting is pretty good. But that's one difference here. And then the only thing I wanted to go over, I have notes over here, is that you keep it short and it helps with the processing, because my 20-minute video took 1 hour to convert from iMovie to a desktop file, and then it took another 20 to 25 minutes to upload to YouTube, and then once that's finished, it takes another 10 to 15 minutes to process standard definition, and then after that, process an HD version. So all in all, that's like 2 hours. So that's something you want to think about, and I failed uploading and processing at least 3 times, which was really frustrating. So yeah. To close out this video, because I'm trying to keep it short, some advice for those of you that are considering playing around with making your own video on YouTube. Definitely keep it short. Try to keep it under 7 minutes, 6 minutes. Test it out. One thing I messed up was that I shot it on my iPhone 6s like regular, like this. This is my old 5S, but when that translates to video online on YouTube, it's not in landscape mode. So you can check out my video of the Air Daysling 2 video. It just didn't come out right, and it's a classic first novice video mistake. But keep it short. Maybe try a GoPro or put it in landscape to make it work. And honestly, yeah, because this video is let's get real and keep it real, This is my desk. This is my bedroom. I don't have a fancy studio or a proper mic or proper lighting. This is window lighting, but I would love to have that, just to be able to sit down and make a video really quick and have good lighting and make it in the morning, afternoon, and night, and not have all this stuff around. But hey, this is my second video ever, and I hope you like it. Leave some comments if you like, or reach out. I think my email is somewhere. But thanks for watching.